This is my toolbox that I bring on every job site, or every time I go out cutting. Doesn't matter if it's a customer or not. Basic things you should have. Got these awesome little toolboxes on Amazon, but definitely got to have your files. Ear protection is a must. Backup gloves and a hat, because I do cut in the winter a lot. More ear protection. Measuring sticks. Well, if I'm cutting for firewood, I know it's really good firewood grade lumber. I'll use these to get pretty darn close to 16 inches. Can never have too many wedges. And I got boxes, again, Amazon purchase, but I put sharp new chains in there. This way I know a chain is sharp if it goes in here. Scrunches, can never have too many of those. And bar oil, which I see I've only got one left in here. I like to keep at least 2 or 3. I'm not brand specific. This is some I had left over. And then if your bar needs grease or lube, this is a little push and lube for the sprocket on the tip of your chain if you have one of those. And lastly, another scrunch, these little picks, spare spark plug, and this is for the making those sticks. And I have a steel, and I have these extra wear bars, little plastic pieces that go inside the chain cover. So. Well, that's about it. Okay, a couple other things other than the toolbox full of goodies. Good quality bar oil. I've had great luck with the Husqvarna stuff here. I always bring an axe of some sort. This is a Fisker splitting axe. Great little tool. Gas oil mix, of course. And if you got them and you want more business, always good to have extra business cards with you. Leave 2, 3, 4 with everybody.